Welcome to Hyssa. This is a simple guide to create your account. Open Hyssa app. Enter your email and continue. We will send a 6-digit code. Open your inbox and enter it here. Add your Telegram and phone number for extra security. Enter the code we sent to you. Create a 4-digit PIN to enable Face ID or Touch ID for faster sign-in. Once the account and login security are created, log in and explore your home dashboard. Tap Registration to complete your profile. Step 1. Fill in your investing experience, nationality, and basic details. Step 2. Review the agreements and tap Continue to accept them. Then, the most important part, upload your ID, a quick selfie for verification, and address verification. This process is called KYC, Know Your Customer. It helps to keep your account secure, ensure compliance with global standards, personalize your investing experience. Explore the app while we verify your identity. You can already browse the app, but top-up will be available after verification. This usually takes a few minutes. We'll notify you once it's completed. Need more help? Go to Profile, tap Support, and reach out to us.